This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the account details you'll need: SIP username, password, domain or server address, and transport type. Once you have those, install Zoiper on your device, mobile or desktop, and grant microphone and network permissions so calls will work. Make sure to disable interfering VPNs or firewalls temporarily. After installation, open Zoiper and choose Add Account. Select SIP. These steps get you into the app and ready to enter credentials, so the app can register with your provider. You now configure the account in detail. Input username, password, and domain, and then pick a transport. UDP is common, TLS if you need encryption. Once entered, make sure NAT traversal is set. Use stun or ICE when behind a router to avoid one-way audio. Next, prioritize codecs like Opus or G711 for quality and enable echo cancellation and jitter buffering to stabilize voice. Also select the correct DTMF method to ensure key presses work with automated systems. Finish by saving the account and checking registration status in Zoiper. Then place a test call to your provider's test number or voicemail to confirm audio both ways. If registration fails, recheck credentials, domain, and port, then try switching transport to TCP or TLS. If you hear one-way audio or dropped calls, disable SIP ALG on the router and reboot both router and device. Once calls connect reliably, make a few short calls to confirm stability, and you're done. Remember this troubleshooting tip if issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.